Vocabulary that we have learned in the paragraph, the first one is consistency, means nirantarata, the quality of doing something regularly. Story of the day, the power of consistency. Rohit had a dream of becoming a confident eloquent speaker. Whenever he watched fluent speaker on YouTube or listened to podcasts, he felt inspired. However, he also felt discouraged because he believed they were naturally talented. Every time he tried to speak English, he made mistakes and became nervous. Instead of continuing, he would throw in the towel and promise himself that he would start again the next week. One evening, while walking in a park, Rohit met an elderly man who was reading a book. They started talking, and Rohit shared his fear of speaking English. The man smiled and said, "People often admire success, but they rarely notice the year of practice behind it. Success is not a miracle. It is a result of consistency, perseverance, and discipline." Those words stay in Rohit's mind. The next morning, he made a simple plan. He would read one page every day, learn 5 new words, listen to 10 minutes of English, and speak for 5 minutes in front of a mirror. The plan looked small, but he decided to stick to it no matter what happened. The first week was difficult. Sometimes he felt tired after work, and sometimes he wanted to skip his practice. On those days, he reminded himself that he didn't have to be perfect. He just had to keep going. Whenever he made a mistake, he didn't cry over spilled milk. Instead, he wrote them in a notebook and learned from them. Little by little, he began to notice improvement in his pronunciation and confidence. After 3 months, Rohit listened to one of his old recordings. He couldn't believe the difference. His vocabulary had improved, his sentence was more natural, and he could express his thought without translating every word. For the first time, he felt that he was on the right track. One day, his teacher asked him to give a short speech in front of the class. Although he was nervous, he accepted the challenge. He took a deep breath, walked into the stage, and spoke with confidence. When he finished, everyone applauded. His teacher said, "You didn't become confident overnight. You earned it through your daily efforts." While returning home, Rohit realized that success is never about one big achievement. It is about hundreds of small decisions made every single day. He promised himself that he would never lose heart during a difficult time. Instead, he would carry on, continuing learning and trust the process. A year later, when people asked Rohit how he became fluent in English, he smiled and replied, "I wasn't the smartest student, but I was the one who refused to give up. Small steps repeated every day changed my life." Vocabulary that we have learned in the paragraph, the first one is consistency, means nirantarata, the quality of doing something regularly. The second one is perseverance, means drinta, the ability to keep trying despite of difficulties. The next one is discipline, anushashan, the ability to control yourself and follow a routine. The next one is pronunciation, uchcharan, the way words are spoken. And the fifth and the last one is fluent, able to speak a language smoothly. And the idioms that we learn in the paragraph, the first one is throw in the towel, means haar maan dena. You can also say to give up. Next one is cry over spilled milk. Beeti baat par dukhi hona, means to worry about something that can't be changed. The next one and the third one is on the right track, sahi disha mein hona, making good progress. Fourth one is lose heart, himmat haar jana, to become discouraged. The fifth one is keep going, लगातार आगे बढ़ते रहना, to continue despite difficulties. And the phrasal verb that we have learned this paragraph, the first one is stick to, किसी योजना या आदत का पालन करना, to continue following something. Second one is carry on, जारी रखना, to continue doing something. Third one is give up, हार मान लेना, to stop trying.